video, we'll look at how to place an order on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. Step 1. Once you log into your account, click on the Trade Code button at the bottom of your screen. Select the stock you plan to place an order for. For example, let's search for and select ONGC. When the call to action box appears, click on Buy and enter your trading password. You'll now be directed to the order window page. Select Buy from the Action tab. Enter the quantity as 1 to place a market order. Enter 0 in the price column. This will execute the order at the current market price. Click Place Order to buy one quantity of ONGC at the market price. To set a desired price, search for and select ONGC again. In the call to action box, click on Detail Quote to check the price bands before proceeding. Tap the T button above to navigate the order window page. Select Buy from the Action tab and enter the quantity as 1. In the price column, enter your desired price against the current market price. Click Place Order, and after confirming the order, you land on the order book where you can check the order status. Selling stocks on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app is just as simple. Go to the Report section and click on DPSR option, which allows you to sell stocks you've purchased. For example, to sell SPIN, click on it and select the Sell option from the Call to Action box. Enter the quantity and the price at which you wish to sell the stocks, then click Place Order to proceed.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.